from the next voyage. Greetings! Presenting the Mahindra Motorhome 2026, a vehicle designed for limitless travel. This RV is capable of withstanding any terrain due to its durable exterior and strong construction. Its timeless, expressive look is enhanced by contemporary design features, including an elegant circular LED headlight and a new multi-slat grille. Under this sturdy shell are a variety of engines, including diesel, gasoline hybrid, and even all-electric variants. All of these engine choices are supported by a flexible chassis that provides the perfect balance of powerful performance and fuel economy. You'll note right away that the cabin appears far more luxurious than the one before it. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a contemporary digital instrument panel that provides all the information required. A large touchscreen that serves as the dashboard's control center is integrated with a modern infotainment system that has wireless connectivity. The upgraded materials and more ergonomic dashboard design may result in a more cozy and enjoyable environment for the driver. As soon as you walk in, you will see how well considered and useful the decor is. The sleeping and sitting areas are designed with flexibility as their top priority. The seats are covered in upscale fabrics or even faux leather for maximum comfort. The rear portion may be converted into a comfortable sleeping space for two persons with storage underneath. You feel totally at home in an open, airy space with lots of windows and soft lighting. The bathroom in this RV is modest but functional. Its useful features include a fold-down sink, a portable cassette toilet, and a shower with an intelligent water system. Despite its small size, it includes all the amenities you need to travel in comfort and cleanliness without sacrificing usable living space. The kitchen in this RV is designed to be useful. A compact, integrated kitchen module may be used to make simple meals. Included are a stove with 1 or 2 burners, a small sink, and an energy-efficient mini-fridge. Clever storage and hidden drawers make the most of every available inch of space.